How to add McDonald's gift card to app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can add McDonald's gift card to the app. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to log in into your app or your account. For that, you may just download the application onto your device, or you may just go to mcdonalds.com and sign in into your account. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can add card to the McDonald's app in this new update of McDonald's. In the older version, we could use that, but unfortunately on the newer version, newer update of the McDonald's, there is no such method on how you can add McDonald's art card to the McDonald's app as a payment method. However, you can use art cards at participating at McDonald's restaurants, at the drive-thru, at the register, and at the kiosk, or you can also buy art cards at participating McDonald's restaurants or online, or load your art card at any participating McDonald's restaurant by asking a queue member at the counter, and check your balance online at the McDonald's art card balance website. You may just check your balance by calling at the following number that is shown on my screen right now, that is 877-458-2200. After that, you may just check your balance at participating a McDonald's restaurant in the United States. So just follow the steps and you can use the McDonald's art or gift card instead of going to the McDonald's app. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to use it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.